Hi guys, Captain Nick here with MarineMax in St. Petersburg. Just had an all-new Boston Whaler 280 Vantage show up. You can see the shrink wrap down below still. Really beautiful boat, new model, rides awesome. Awesome riding boat. Redesigned the hull, got a little bit more dead rise, and it's gonna be a big hit just like the 24. When they redesigned the 24 to the, from the 23, we redesigned the 27 to the 28. Real modern, real great layout. Hop on board. Let's check out what we're working with here. This is a relatively loaded boat. We got the twin 300 Mercury Verados. This boat can come with joystick or non-joystick, knock down the price a little bit. This one does not have joystick. Still have control of those dual throttles. Move on in over here. Got the upgraded countertop. Got the teak table. This is a good do-everything boat. You can do your fishing back here, do your cruising up front, your hanging out. This one does look like it has the fishing package with the extra rod holders. Already rigged out with electronics. Got your Raymarine screen, your vessel view, your stereo system. You're ready to rock and roll. Notice here we got the isinglass package with all the weather curtains. Just clip those on, zip them in, and you're ready to rock and roll. Got your head right here. Ooh. Filled up right now. Nice big head. More storage on the starboard side. Up on the bow, one of the differences between a 270 and a 280. It's a lot deeper. This is someplace that you're going to want to hang out. You're going to feel nice and safe even when you're cruising. Then, of course, up on the very bow, you've got your anchor automatic windlass hauler. Push that button. A lot easier to do by yourself at the sandbar when everybody's all partying off the back. They don't want to do any work. So I'm Captain Nick with MarineMax in St. Pete. This is a recently redesigned Boston Whaler 280 Vantage. Place your order today or even reserve one that's incoming. I look forward to getting you guys all out on the water in sunny St. Pete.